In the bustling city of Kingston, Jamaica, Rickardon and Paul, two bright 20-year-olds, had always been fascinated by the mysteries of the universe. Both had studied physics at the local university, dreaming of one day making a breakthrough that could change humanity's understanding of reality. Their latest project was an experimental device they called the Quantum Cipher, designed to tap into the fabric of space-time itself. Nadine, their sharp and resourceful work partner, a 20-year-old computer programmer, had joined them recently. She shared their enthusiasm and was equally committed to pushing the boundaries of science. One evening, as the Caribbean sunset cast orange and purple hues over the city, they gathered in Rickardon's cluttered garage lab, the air thick with anticipation. "Tonight's the night," Rickardon said, his eyes gleaming. "If this works, we'll see beyond what anyone's ever imagined." They activated the Quantum Cipher, a sleek device with glowing blue runes etched into its surface. As they powered it up, the room trembled slightly, and a shimmering ripple of light filled the space. Suddenly, the device pulsed intensely, and a strange portal opened, a swirling vortex of shimmering colors and distorted reality. "Whoa!" Paul breathed, gripping the edge of the workbench. "It's like the universe is giving us a glimpse into the other side." Nadine quickly connected her laptop to the device, trying to analyze the data streaming from the portal. "This is incredible! It's like we're decoding a secret message from the fabric of space-time itself." But then, the portal flickered and expanded, drawing energy from the room. The wall seemed to bend and stretch, and the air crackled with static. Rickardon shouted, "Cut the power!" Nadine frantically unplugged the device, and the portal snapped shut with a burst of light. Silence fell, heavy with the weight of what they'd just experienced. Breathless, Rickardon looked at the others. "We just opened a window into another dimension, and I think we saw something out there." Paul nodded, eyes wide. "What if this isn't just a science experiment? What if it's a gateway?" Nadine, her mind racing, added, "We need to be careful. If we can access these other realities, who knows what else is out there, or what could come through." From that night on, their lives changed forever. They had unlocked a secret woven into the universe, and the adventure of exploring the unknown had only just begun. As dawn broke over Kingston, Rickardon, Paul, and Nadine knew one thing for certain. Their discovery was just the beginning of something far greater than they could imagine. The universe was calling, and they had answered.